the studio, and I thought it would be fun to share a piece of our home with you. This place holds a very special place in our hearts because it is the second home that JC and I bought together. At the beginning of 2020, we were well underway with trying to figure out how we were going to renovate and make it our own. And it was quite an experience going through the renovation and remodel and making all those decisions during a pandemic and also during being pregnant. So I thought I would share a before snapshot of what open house looked like. And open house was named because JC and Jack and I would go to numerous open houses throughout the couple of years that we were looking for a second home. And we were debating on whether to have some property that we could have as a rental and we would stay in our house. And then all of a sudden, as we were looking at real estate and the opportunities out there, Los Angeles real estate is very expensive. And we put offers on 3 different homes that we loved, but they fell through and we were outbid for all of them except for the third one. And the third one fell through because it turned out the owner just really didn't want to sell. I'm glad it didn't work out. At the time, it was really heartbreaking and heart-wrenching going through that process. It was ongoing for months, going back and forth. This was in 2019. He was so tired of going to open houses that finally, when we found our dream house, essentially, when you're gonna see these before pictures and you're gonna be like, what? But it has so much possibility, okay? So bear with me, right? We had to dub it open house because he was so tired of going to these open houses. And then also because of the way the floor plan is, it does feel very open. And of course we want guests to come in and feel like they're totally welcome, feel like they're totally at ease, and feel like they're sort of on a little vacation escape. And maybe this was part of our inspiration too, is that it feels very Palm Springs. So if you've never been to Palm Springs, California, this sort of feels that way, I guess, but in Los Angeles and without the total desert. And we can see the ocean, which is awesome. I think that we have been so lucky and so blessed to have found this property, and we're just the second owners, and we wanted to preserve a lot of the original architecture. And so hiring an architect who understood our vision and a general contractor who really could make the things happen that we wanted, it was just a wonderful process. And though at times we had some disappointing, discouraging news, it all worked out and we moved in at the beginning of 2021. Well, the process started with kind of deciding what we wanted to do. We had to interview architects and general contractors, and once we landed on who we were going to use for both, we had a meeting at the beginning of March 2020, and then of course the world sort of shut down. But we were lucky that our permits and processing went through. You can see that I was able to pull clips, and I thought I did a better job of recording to show the before, but clearly I just did bits and pieces, and there's a lot of photos mixed with video. So I'm just gonna walk you through, and I hope you enjoy seeing this before. And I hope it motivates you in some way to know that you can do hard things. I was pregnant in a pandemic, running my company, and trying to just stay positive during all of it, and also mindful of how blessed we were to be even going through what we were going through. Building a house is a big deal. And so I wanted to share it with you because I think it's so meaningful and hopefully inspiring to you to know that this is the before, and I will reveal the after eventually, but I'm going to show it in sort of stages. So I'll show you different parts of the house. I know that many of you have seen on Instagram, Juniper's room, my master closet, and so I'll focus on little areas, and hopefully you'll feel inspired to, just add a little bit of creativity to your own space, no matter what it is. And you have to remember that a couple months after JC and I met, I actually ended up renting an apartment in Venice. 5 blocks from the beach. And then a couple months after that, JC actually moved in with me. So we lived in a 550 square foot apartment in Venice Beach for almost 4 years before we found out I was pregnant. So just to go through all of the emotions and to know that we started in a place where we could really live together and flourish and thrive in a small space, and yet save money and also pursue our dreams and find this beautiful home to make our own. It's just a pleasure, and I hope you keep that in mind when you're watching this. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and let's get to it. Over and we checked out the pool, and look, the cover caved in along with some of the bricks. Okay, well, they emptied out our pool and it's a little deep and empty. Okay, we're in the new house. It's the beginning of June, and it looks like they've started to demo some of it just to take a look at how the windows are gonna go in and the sliders. What the kitchen looks like, but this section is gonna get knocked down and this is gonna look completely different. There's a booth that's gonna go right there. No, it sounds like something's happening though, but whoa, look at our kitchen. When they say demo, oh my gosh, there's no doors. Look at the floors. There's no floors either. Wow, look at that wall, it's just gone. Oh, I have a bag here. Uh-oh. Well, be the master. Where did these cards come from? That's kind of creepy.
Are they really taking out these doors and replacing them, or what are they doing?
Yeah, of course, all of them. Yeah, because they got to do the openings too. All the openings are going to be different. Remember? Whoa.
Oh no, they're getting rid of this stuff?
Yeah, they're not keeping that. No way.
Yeah, that's so cool.
No way they're not keeping that. You think you can hire Dan and Todd and they'll let you keep that? No way. Oh yeah, the 2x2 is good. I mean the 4x4.
What's that?
The tile. Hi friends, it's June 20th and Jack is going to see the demo for the first time. Are you excited? Whoa, buddy. What do you think? Oh my. Took out all the flooring. Look at this kitchen. Crazy, right? Look, it's the sky. Oh my goodness, what happened to your shower? What happened to your sink? It's all gone.
Right there.
Well, that's where they'll put the shower, and then I think the toilet will go right there. Oh my goodness.
Like, you think it's gonna look like this?
Spider webs.
Isn't that crazy?
I do not like our house to look like. Hey, Mama.
Look at this. Oh my.
Did I have to tape everything together?
Do they have to tape everything together? I think they're just taping to mark.
Wait, wait, you see the master. It's crazy.
Oh my goodness, let's go see. Powder room. Close it. Oh my goodness, what do they have to do there?
So they put the framing in.
Oh my goodness, cool.
This will be the where Dad gets his coffee.
Wow.
I guess this is glass.
Oh yeah, be careful with glass, it's very sharp.
Look up.
Yeah.
It's big. It's that way.
Except at 6 in the morning.
No, that's true.
Oh my goodness, look at our closet and bathroom.
Lots of space for the master.
This is like glass.
Look at the bathroom. All right, we came over to the new house because there's a comet, but there's no way we're gonna see it. The sky is so bright.
Blinking fit. What's that blinking fit?
But it's kind of cool to see
What's that blinking?
the house at night. They leave the chandelier on.
Oh, look at all that wall.
That was like that.
Oh, okay. Oh, they put the water in.
Oh, got it. Hey friends, August 4th. Things are happening. I hear some noise. Let's go check it out. Wow. There's a lot happening. Look at this. Whoa. Wow. Here's the kitchen progress. Look at that. Terrazzo preparation. Pretty exciting. So what did you think? Let us know in the comments below if you want to see the big reveal, and next week I will have another video with a part of the house. So this will be a little series, and I hope you enjoy it. Okay. Thanks for watching.